What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be sharing something a little different. So today's topic is how to get an internship as a computer science major. So internships are crucial for CS majors because they give you the hands-on experience that you need to stand out when applying for full-time positions. And then it teaches you new skills. So, for example, if you didn't know how to use a framework or how to um, use a certain language, you will learn from that internship. And also, it allows you to network with industry professionals. So here's some tips on how to land one. So, researching available internships. So, figure out what type of internship that you want. Um, you can use online platforms like LinkedIn and Glassdoors, as well as if you're a university student, you can also use one of the job boards that your university uses, and also Indeed is another good one. And make sure to network as well. So talk to your professors. Make sure you visit your university's career center as well, because they really do give out um, very good information regarding this. And then also job fairs, and also attend hackathons. This is another underrated one, just for the fact that you'll build skills when you're at a hackathon. You're under time pressure, so you can probably put that project on your resume, or meet people there, like-minded people there as well. And then find the right fit. So research the company culture, values, and work structure. Um, and never settle for a company. So let's say you have two companies, A and B. So they both pay really well, but with A, that's your dream company, and B is like, something that's below you. So I would, for an internship, it really doesn't matter because you'll be there for um, a certain amount of time, like 3 months, 2 months, however long. So it really doesn't matter, but make sure that you do enjoy the work. And then your resume and your cover letter and portfolio are the three important things that will land you one. So, so I'm gonna make a separate video regarding like how to craft your resume, your cover letter, and portfolio. But for this one, I'm just gonna say for your resume, um, make sure to highlight your relevant coursework, your skills and projects, as well as prior experience and what languages, frameworks, and certifications that you know and have. And then for your cover letter, it's basically like a longer version of your resume. So make sure to basically go more in depth on some of the things that you do mention in your resume, because that's relevant to the position. So, for example, if you're applying to a software engineering position and you write 3 paragraphs on customer service, like, so I don't think like that's the same type of field. So, and then vice versa, if you're applying for like a customer service position and you mention, oh yeah, I did so many projects, I coded with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, Java, like that has nothing to do with customer service, right? So that's kind of, just play your cards right and you'll be fine. As far as your portfolio goes, I still haven't created mine. Um, but make sure to have a GitHub account. Uh, that should go without being said, but you should make sure to have a GitHub account and a portfolio website. So you can use things like Card, or make your own if you're really interested. in learning on how to make one. There's plenty of tutorials, but yeah. And then the application process. So understand the process. So I'm going to just quickly go over this. So understand the process. So each company has different types of processes on how to get up, like how to get hired. But the general one is you'll be sent an online assessment. It's basically like a technical interview, like pre-technical interview, and then you have a behavioral, which means like the general um, interview questions, like what do you do, like when another team member says something bad about you, or like how do you deal with conflict, like those types of questions. And then also you'll have a technical interview. So I'm not sure what order. It just depends on the company, but yeah. Um, so preparing for the interview, make sure that you research the company that you're interviewing with. So this could be like Apple, they really value like innovation, so make sure to talk about that, like core company values. Practice your coding skills on LeetCode or HackerRank, and really get um, skilled at technical interviews because you're going to be doing that a lot. And make sure to dress professionally because I know so many people are like really good at coding, but they just lack like social cues, social skills. So make sure to level that up and you'll definitely stand out. And then, so when you do, let's say you do get hired or you do get an offer, so you want to make sure that it like goes with your flow, meaning your salary expectation, your location expectation, all of that. So, for example, if you live in Florida and you have to travel to Alaska for a 1 month internship, like that's really not feasible for many university students. So just keep in mind, be professional and then set realistic goals. I'm not really going to go into these, but you get the idea. You definitely want to stand out, make connections, be friendly, be easy to work with, and all that good stuff. And then after or while your internship is going on, make sure you talk to the people that you're working with. Remember, they're industry professionals, meaning they have way more experience than you do, so you can definitely learn something from each and every one of them. And then keep practicing, keep reading, keep coding, and keep learning. Just be a lifelong learner, and then make sure that you can balance between work and life. I know it's tough sometimes with school, work, life, social life, and also maintaining yourself. But yeah, if you keep like making a schedule, sticking to it, incorporating everything you need to, you should be fine. So yeah, that's gonna end the presentation. But let me show you guys another website. It's called Simplify. What this is basically, this will help you um, get internships as well. So, for example, let's see, where is it? Internships, and then top summer internships. Yeah, there we go. Top summer internships, and you should see all of the things over here. Just go ahead and apply to each and every one of them, and you'll definitely get, um, chosen for at least one, right? Like if you apply to this many. So yeah, so check this out. It's called simplify.com. And they also have a resume builder, which I'm not sure how well it works. I've never tried it, but yeah. So I hope you guys have a great day and see you guys in the next one.